What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Double RT, guys, aka Rashad. And hear me out. Today, I just want to talk about the power of your sexual energy. Now, hear me out. If you are a man and all you do is jack off, all right? Now, we're going to start this video by holding ourselves accountable, all right? I don't do that, and I'm not going to sit here and act like a saint. Obviously, I had some problem with that also. But I have stopped, and I'm like glad I took control of that over that part of my life. But a lot of us men be struggling in that area right now. Meaning we can't control our sexual urges. We can't control what we see online. Well, we can, but we decide not to. Because when you're scrolling through Instagram, when you're scrolling through TikTok, you see a fat ass girl now. You click back on that, trying to see what she up to or what she doing, right? That's what it is. Like they really know what they be doing, bro. Everything is designed to make you lust. Lust is a real demonic thing that you, as a man, have to overcome to become the best version of yourself. Lust is the reason why a lot of men don't even pass through or break through their own luck. Now, there's something that I want to talk about. It's called masturbation. All right. Now, hear me out. Drop everything you're doing right now and just listen to me for 1 second, bro. Masturbation kills you. It's gonna kill your ambition. It's going to kill your drive. It's going to destroy you as a man in general. Listen to the name masturbation. Master of debate. Now, what happened before you masturbate? We are men here. Let's hold ourselves accountable. Before you masturbate, you either see something online, a girl that's half naked, then that's debate. That's how debate you. You see a girl that's half naked. We call that soft porn, meaning that replace the C with a P. A soft corn. That's what it is. Now, when you see that, you implement, you see more. Then when you want to see more, now you go on the hub. Or sometimes there's something people do now, they call it the TikTok method. The master of debate is to get you to release your semen. Your semen is powerful. Your semen is blood. Blood is what they're after. The more you release your blood, the more empty you're going to be as a human being. Your semen is what makes you shine. Why do you think babies, we are in love like kids with babies? Because they are pure innocence. They are pure being. They don't even know what wrong or right is. The reason being, I'm going to say something crazy. The reason being is because that liquid, semen is the fluid from God. That liquid is still inside of the body. That's the energetic liquid type of form we got in our body. That's what makes people magical. Most people, or most artists, or most, even Mike Tyson talked about this in his interview. He went, I believe, 2 years with no women. And those 2 years, all he was doing is dedicating himself to become a better person and perfect his craft, which was boxing. And out of that 2 years, he become the most known boxer ever. My dude come out knocking people in the first round. I'm talking about Mike Tyson went out 2 years with no women. If Mike Tyson can go 2 years with no women and he achieve his goal, doesn't that give you at least a chance to try to hold your semen at least for 1 month or 90 days and see what's gonna happen in your life, bro? Tell me, bro. Let's talk man to man. Let's be real to ourselves, bro. If you really want to accomplish something, bro, hold your semen in, because that semen, when it elevates to your crown chakra, it ignites you, because you are a fire. We are spirit living in the body. We are not our body, bro. Once that liquid go to your root chakra, it's gonna ignite you. We are fire. A lot of people don't even know about that. But like I say, if you want to hear more about those type of topic, let me know down in the comment. I'll go deep down in it. I have been procrastinating a lot. I'm not gonna lie. The spirit of procrastination got me. I'm saying I have been really be doing my spiritual work. I say religion is a path. There's truth in religion, but not all religion is the truth. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees this video. But like I say, you have to be open. You have to be aware of your own environment. You have to know what's in front of you to actually know what's going on. You can't just believe whatever you see in the news. You can believe whatever you learn by seeing what people say. How do you know this is true? Oh, the TV say so. It's called television. Tell a vision. They're telling you a vision is a lie. You don't have to believe everything you see in the news. Most of them are fake because they are programmed to put fear into your body. But let's not talk about that. Let's get back to what we were talking about. Semen retention. If you're a man, you want to accomplish something really important in your life, bro, make sure you hold that semen in, bro. If your girl really cares about you, you have to tell her that, hey, babe, listen, I really want to take this 1 month, focus my sexual energy to put into my craft, build something with myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying deny her completely, but you have to know how to talk to her. And if she really loves you, she gonna understand that, oh, my baby, my boo is trying to do something. I'm gonna give him time to really build himself, bro. Cause now a lot of men out here really trying to become something of themselves. Not a lot of men really want to become something, bro. But if you are one of the men that really want to become something, bro, just comment right down below, bro. 1%. Cause yes, that's the amount of men that's gonna make it to the top. 1%. Because a lot of us men are lazy. A lot of us men don't even want to. We are so complacent. We are lazy, bro. We are laziness. Oh, we lazy. We kick our feet up. We don't want to do nothing. Once we find a woman that does everything for us, it's over. We don't care anymore, bro. But as a man, you need to be ambitious. You need ambition as a man, bro. Huge ambition to really accomplish something. I have to keep watching so they don't tow my car. You need ambitions as a man, bro. You need to be dedicated to your own self. Because check this out, bro. You're going to spend 20 years or 30 years working for a company and you might get laid off. But if you work on yourself, you build your own business, no fucking body can fire you. That's one thing that people don't get. Nobody can fire you if you're working for yourself, if you build your own business. Now, I'm not saying don't work at 9 to 5. You can work at 9 to 5 to fund yourself. Invest that money to something else. But most people don't do that. They depend on the 9 to 5. And now when the company lay them off, now they suffer something. Now there's a hole within them that they can't fill anymore. Because they've been building some other man dream. They never build their own dream, bro. And like I said, let's go back to my point, bro. If bro, any topic you want to hear about, just comment. I'm gonna see what comment you put down in the comment, and I'm gonna pick a topic and talk about. But like I said, bro, if you're a man that really want to do something with their life, bro, go at least 7 weeks, bro, 7 days without touching yourself. Try that. Stop watching porn, bro. I'm gonna go deep down in this topic. I talk a little bit vague about it just to give you a POV. But really go 7 days without touching yourself. Go 7 days without watching porn. Even watching porn, bro. Even watching the woman private part. There's a spiritual things about it a lot of people don't know. Even our private part is sacred. That's what back in the days, you can't just see a girl naked, bro. You get stoned for that. But nowadays everything has been so normalized. Female walk out. I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm not trying to get canceled. I don't even fucking know, bro. They just cancel people left and right. Oh shoot, left and right, but you already know how we rolling, bro. And OG just came in the building. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Peace and love.
Peace and love. Yes, sir.
Early bird, get the worm.
Yes, sir.
It's my boy right here.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Long term.
Yes, sir.
You good?
Yes, sir.
Good
How you
to
been?
see you, man. I'm good, thank God. Good.
Yes,
Just
sir. I'm just-
maintaining.
I'm just thank you. God bless you. I'm just chopping it up with them how they should utilize the semen retention, sexual energy. You ever heard of that?
No, put me up on it.
Oh, so semen retention is when you abstain yourself from sex to put that energy towards yourself to build something within yourself.
That's a good thing.
What do you think about?
Go ahead.
What do you think about guys that just like jack off, like masturbate?
I don't believe in that, man. I believe in love and I believe in taking care of the body. God don't want you to play with yourself. So
sir.
you got to feed your mind, stay away from pornos.
Yes.
Not good. Work out.
Yes, sir. I really appreciate you coming by. It's on the energies. Oh,
Always,
that was a
man,
perfect dot.
always.
Yes,
Each
sir.
one, man.
Yes, sir.
Come see us. We at the park.
Yes,
Come
sir.
see us.
Yes, sir.
Find the location.
I appreciate you, sir. That was